The first step to resolving this issue is to clear your browsing data. Open Google Chrome by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Once Chrome is open, look for the 3 vertical dots located at the top right corner of the window and click on them. From the drop-down menu, select History, and then choose History again. This will open the Browsing History page. On this page, you will see an option to delete browsing data. Click on that. Ensure that the time range is set to all time. Next, select all the checkboxes, which usually include browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. After confirming your selections, click on the Delete Data button. Once the data has been cleared, try to log in again to your Google service. You will then be prompted to sign in once more using your user account. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.